Hi and welcome to the second video in our Ableton Tutorial Series. In this video I'm going to create a bass using Subtractive synthesis. Synthesis is the process of generating sounds from oscillators, then sculpting and shaping it with filters and envelopes. I'm going to create an old school bass stab using Subtractive synthesis, with Analog, one of Ableton's onboard synths. First thing I'm going to do is load up a version of Analog onto this empty Midi track, and I'm going to write in a couple of Midi notes so that you can hear how the sound progresses. Later in this tutorial series I'm going to go into more detail about recording and writing Midi, but for now I just want to get something going so you can hear as the sound progresses. Yeah, that should be fine. By clicking down in this right hand corner you can bring up the Analog. The first thing I'm going to do is change the waveform to pulse because I want a kind of stabby bass sound. I'm also going to turn off the second oscillator because I'm not going to be using this guy. And I'm going to turn the width up to 100%. I'm also going to go to the volume tab and turn the voices to mono because I'm making a bass and I only want to really be hearing one sound at a time. Alright, let's have a listen to what we've got so far. Alright, I'm going to need to turn it down an octave to get it more in the bass spectrum. Then I'm going to go to the filter one section and use the 24 dB low pass to shave off some of the higher frequencies. I'm also going to turn up the resonance to get a bit more movement. Okay, next I'm going to make some changes in the filter envelope, starting with the decay. Turn that up to about 1.5 seconds. I'm also going to bring the sustain down a bit. And then turn up the release. Okay, I'm also going to bring the envelope down. The amp 1 section is also affecting the sound, so I'm going to bring the sustain up just a little bit to maybe add a little bit more warmth to the sound. You feel it more than hearing it. Now I'm going to turn on the LFO. I'm just going to use a little bit also to get a little bit more movement. Go back to the oscillator 1 setting and turn it up in there. Okay, that's pretty good. Thanks for watching. In the next tutorial we'll be focusing on FM synthesis, so make sure to tune in.